Hello, I'm Jonathan Grossman, Assistant Director of the Tutoring and Math Center at Merrimack College, and today I'm going to talk to you about many of the features available through TutorAIRS for tutors. First, head over to TutorAIRS.com. To sign in as a tutor, head over to the Tutors tab. There you will sign in with your college and university email address. If you have not made an account, you'll want to head over first to tutorairs.com/register.php and make your account. Once you have made your account, send me an email at mathcenter@merrimack.edu so that I can upgrade your account from a student account to a tutor account. I will log in now. Once I have logged in, I have several options. If a client has scheduled a session, you can check them in for that session by clicking here and then clicking on the student who has attended and hitting submit. When that student's session is over, you would then hit End Client Scheduled Session and select the student whose session you had initiated previously and indicate that it was over. That way we have an accurate record of how long the student was there. You will be informed when you log in whether or not you are on the clock. If you are signing in so that you can clock in, hit clock in, indicate the type of tutor you are, and you will receive confirmation that you have successfully clocked in. At the end of your shift, you would hit clock out, and a list of students who had registered in TutorAIRS and had appointments or drop-in visits today would appear, and you would be able to indicate which of those students you worked with and on what topic. I'm going to go ahead and pretend I'm a student here for a moment. Hit Begin Session. You can see right now the options are a Blackboard session or a Zoom session. If you'd like to schedule a face-to-face session in the Tutoring and Math Center at some point, you will schedule it through Schedule Session. Face-to-face sessions are only by appointment right now, but online is drop-in. So let's say I'm beginning a math session. I would indicate my instructor and the course that I am taking, and provide a reason for making my appointment. And then hit Begin Session. And that would log me in, check me in for the session as a student. What that means is, as a tutor, when I clock out, as whatever type of tutor I have signed in as, I will first indicate where I worked, whether I worked at a station in the Tutoring and Math Center or online. And I will be able to check a box next to the name, class, reason for visit for the student I worked with, and again indicate in what capacity I worked with them. A few of our tutors wear different hats, so to speak. An iTech tutor may also be a Tutoring and Math Center tutor, or may also be a study partner or a writing consultant. So it's important to indicate in what role you worked with a given student. Enter what you worked with the student on. I'm being very vague right now because this is a made-up session, but please do include as much detail as you feel comfortable. Hit Submit and clock out. You'll receive verification that you have clocked out. If you worked face-to-face in the Writing Center or Tutoring and Math Center, you're asked to fill out the Cleaning Center log, and in either case you're asked to fill out the Tutor Activities form so that we know what you worked on during your time tutoring today. Hit Return to Tutor Portal. You can view your timesheet, and it will say what type of shift you had on what date, and when you clocked in and out. You can see I clocked in and out within 3 minutes just now. You can also view the client appointments, all upcoming appointments, and the ones for today in particular. And you can request to view session data, set the date range, either by date or by client. And you can see that my session showed up here. And if I hit view, not only does the information from the student show up, but also the information I added about what we discussed. So if you realize afterward that you did not indicate when you clocked out, what you had worked with a student on, or you only remembered to check the box next to one student's name, you can always hit add data to session. Your name will show up on the left, and you can be more specific about what you worked with a student on the right. I could specify the class the homework was for example, hit add session data, hit view updated session data, and you can see that my additional note has been added. And you can do this as many times as you need to, either throughout a session that's occurring or afterward as you remember more things, and keep adding to the information regarding this session. When you have finished your tasks in TutorAIRS, just hit sign out, and you will be returned to the home page. On the home page, you can also find some short tutorials for creating an account if you'd like to be walked through the registration process, specifically the clocking in and out mechanism and viewing your timesheet. Those tutorials are all there. Please reach out to me at mathcenter@merrimack.edu if you have any further questions. Have a great day.